Welcome to this pronunciation lesson. Today we're learning the difference between two similar English sounds, the F sound and the V sound. These two consonants are produced in the same mouth position, but one key difference makes them sound completely different. The F sound is unvoiced, meaning your vocal cords don't vibrate when you say it. The V sound is voiced, meaning your vocal cords vibrate. This voicing difference is what makes these sounds distinct and important to master in English. Let's look at the detailed characteristics of each sound. Both F and V are produced at the labiodental position, which means between your upper teeth and lower lip. Both are fricatives, meaning air flows through a narrow opening creating friction. The key difference is voicing. The F sound is unvoiced, so when you say it, your vocal cords remain relaxed and silent. The V sound is voiced, meaning your vocal cords vibrate actively, creating a buzzing sensation. If you touch your throat while saying these sounds, you'll feel no vibration for F, but a clear vibration for V. The best way to practice these sounds is with minimal pairs. These are words that are identical except for one sound. The classic example is fan and van. Fan starts with the unvoiced F sound. Van starts with the voiced V sound. Notice how the only difference is the voicing. The mouth position is exactly the same, but the vibration of the vocal cords creates two completely different sounds and meanings. These two words are perfect for understanding the voicing contrast in English. Let's practice more minimal pairs to strengthen your understanding. Consider feet and veet. Feet uses the unvoiced F sound at the beginning. Although veet is not a real English word, saying it with the V sound helps you hear the contrast clearly. Another important pair is for and vor. Again, for starts with the unvoiced F, while vor with the voiced V demonstrates the same articulation difference. Practicing these pairs helps train your ear and mouth to produce the correct sounds. Now let's explore more practical examples. Fat and vat are two common words that differ only in voicing. Fat uses the unvoiced F sound, while vat uses the voiced V sound. Another essential pair is fish and vish. Fish starts with the unvoiced F sound, while vish with the V sound shows the same contrast. These words help you practice the sounds in the initial position of words, which is the most common place where the F and V distinction occurs in English. The F and V sounds also appear at the end of words, and this is equally important to practice. Consider the word life and live. Life ends with the unvoiced F sound, while live ends with the voiced V sound. These are actually different parts of speech. Life is a noun, while live can be a verb. Another important pair is safe and save. Safe ends with the unvoiced F, while save ends with the voiced V. Practicing word final position helps you master these sounds in all word positions. The words life and live demonstrate a critical distinction in English. Life, ending with the unvoiced F sound, is a noun meaning existence. Live, ending with the voiced V sound, can be a verb meaning to reside or to be alive. Similarly, safe ending with F is an adjective meaning protected, while save ending with V is a verb meaning to keep or protect. Understanding these distinctions helps you not only pronounce correctly, but also understand the different meanings and parts of speech. This is crucial for English learners. Here are two practical tips to help you master the F and V sounds. First, feel the vibration in your throat. Place your fingers on your throat and say the F sound. You should feel no vibration. Now say the V sound and you should feel a clear buzzing vibration. This tactile feedback helps your brain understand the difference. Second, use a mirror to check your mouth position. Watch your lips and teeth carefully. You'll notice that your mouth position is identical for both sounds. The only difference is the vibration in your vocal cords. With consistent practice using these techniques, you'll soon distinguish and produce these sounds with confidence.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.